Could this be an actual split of reality itself? On Friday the 3rd of April 2026, something strange happened in Liverpool's AXA training centre. Out of nowhere, a thin black seam appeared in the sky. It hovered above the clouds, sharp-edged and unmoving. And then out of nowhere it disappeared as if it was stitched shut. People have speculated, do we live underneath an engineered dome? Most people believe this could be an atmospheric illusion, but other people believe that it could be a slit in the sky. Was this created by unknown intelligence to protect humanity? Was it built to contain us on planet Earth? Is it a glitch in a massive barrier that only occasionally reveals its seams? Some people even believe that it could be celestial gates or gates to the heavens. What do you think it could be? The explanation to this incredibly strange video remains unsolved.